Hello, my name is Daisy Day, and today I will be doing a tutorial on Edmodo and Class Dojo. So I'm going to start with Edmodo, and in Edmodo, there are many different data tools that could be used. The first one that I'm going to show you is assignments online. You can assign assignments to students and have them work from their computers and laptops. It'll tell you if you reviewed it. It will also let you schedule it, and you can see the time that students are taking for each assignment. You can also track their progress, and if you click the class, it'll bring you to a grade book, and I have not added any assignments yet. In here, you can also give them badges, and the badges can be for participation, to good behavior, to being kind. And then with these badges, they can earn points. Next, I'm going to go to the library. The library will let you search. The library will let you search for assignments. So let's say a student said that they turned in their assignment on electricity. You can search electricity, and all the assignments under electricity would come up. If we go back home, you also have a group collaboration with teachers. In the messaging section, you can send messages to students, you can send messages to colleagues, and you can also send messages to parents. This is amazing when you want to just let a parent quickly know whether a student is doing very well or if there's some issues. It is instant communication with the parents. Last but not least, we have our notifications. These notifications can be for the teacher, for assignments that are due, or any reminders that we might need. Some of these reminders can be like when our IEP students have their pull-out groups, or notifications when students might need to do different things at different times. Next, I'm going to go to Class Dojo. Class Dojo for me seemed a little bit more user-friendly. This is your classroom, and this is just a demo. And there's many things that you can do. If you click on them, you can give positive reinforcement right away. So you can carry an iPad around and just be clicking, and then you click on it and you gave them a point. Say Justin is participating, you give points, and it adds up the points. So if I gave him another one that he's working hard, students will also get notification of this right away. So that's a very cool little tidbit on it. You can also add a note to a student. So you can put working hard, never given up, just for example, and it'll add the note to the student. So when they open it up, every positive reinforcement is amazing. You can also do attendance here, and it'll tell you who's here and who isn't. I know at my school, we share classroom, so it's nice before the classroom comes to see whether or not a student is here. We could also select groups to give immediate feedback. So let's say a whole group was doing it. We can select random students that were being on task. You also have a timer down here, and you have a section for big ideas, which goes into what each of these type of learnings mean. So if you wanted to explain to the student what perseverance meant or empathy, these are nice, easy pictures for them to see. Just like in Edmodo, you can also send messages to parents. You can also send messages to the students. The great thing is that parents, can also see their student with all their points that is being notified to them. The disadvantages that this program has is that in order for parents to have that instant communication, they would need the internet and a smartphone, computer, or some sort of device so that they would get daily updates on their students. Students in the classroom will also need a one-on-one device in order to receive these instantly. I know I have a chart in my classroom so they're able to see. In order for students to see the points being added, they would need some sort of device or some sort of projection in the classroom so students knew the points that they were getting. These are just some of the small things that Edmodo and ClassDojo can do for your classroom. Thank you.